Ready to race, penultimate race. Way to go. Fabiola jumps quick out of the gate, rushing up Wonder Joyce, and running by the Ralco Reception, rushing up Andy Ram Mountain Cat on the further outside. Myrel Blue Sky rushing up Fiery Bull down on the inside. Queen Center Can Harana Gray Magic, while entry number 6 Bobon Lancer is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, Fabiola by 2, followed by Wonder Joyce, and Mountain Cat is racing in third by another 2 lengths. Rushing up Import School Reception, and racing in P from the outside is Fiery Bull, working towards the back. Fabiola is still by 2, followed by Wonder Joyce, and racing in third by some 3 lengths. Mountain Cat, School Reception. Fiery Bull getting closer in P. Rushing up now is Bobon Lancer. Queen is racing there by the Rally Center Can Gray Magic, and this from third last. And on the outside, Myrel Blue Sky and Harana is running at the tail of the field. And still Fabiola is still leading by 2 lengths, followed by Wonder Joyce. Fiery Bull, 8A, moving up down on the inside. Cool Reception. Bobon Lancer coming into the picture. Mountain Cat and Queen as they race the final corner. 8 Fabiola, 8A Fiery Bull fighting it up for the lead. Cool Reception. Fiery Bull moving up now to take the lead, followed by Cool Reception, Bobon Lancer, but still Fiery Bull and Cool Reception, and finally it's going to be Fiery Bull, Cool Reception, Bobon Lancer, Queen, Fabiola, Gray Magic, Mountain Cat, Wonder Joyce, Center